let's get real here. Getting your first 100 YouTube subscribers is tough. It's going to be the hardest number to get to, but there are a few tips and strategies I've got for you today to help you get to your first 100 faster or get to your next 100 faster. Hey guys, my name is Trina and welcome to another episode of Just the Tips. Here on my channel, I help lady business owners figure out this crazy online world so they can have more time doing the things they love. And I use YouTube as really my sales team to work for me while I'm doing the things I love. But you gotta have people watching. You gotta have some subscribers, right? So let me break down a few things that you can do to help boost your subscriber number here on your YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do is tell people about it. Just because you upload a video and publish it doesn't mean people are gonna find it. You need to tell people. Tell your email subscribers. Tell your Facebook friends. Tell your Instagram followers. Tell everybody that you have a YouTube channel and to go subscribe to it. That's the key point. Tell them what you want them to do. Not only watch your video, but subscribe. The second tip is use the automatic subscriber link. I'll put the formula to that link down in the description box, but what's great about this subscriber link is when you share that link, people are directed to your channel, but there's a pop-up that asks them to subscribe. So it makes it really easy for them to just click that subscribe button so they can continue to your channel. It's a little secret tip. Now, you'll want to use that link everywhere. So put it in your Instagram link, share it in every single email you send out. You like my YouTube channel and link to that secret subscriber link. My third tip is you've got to research your content before you create it. You cannot just throw a video up and expect it to be a success. It's like throwing spaghetti at a wall and hoping it sticks. You want to use the YouTube search bar to find topics people are actually searching for. You want to see what the results are. Are these videos getting a lot of views but don't have a lot of subscribers? That means that content is being found in search and they're not getting all of those views from their subscribers. They're being found in search and more people are watching than they have subscribers. Those are the types of videos you want to look for and create for your channel when you're getting started. The fourth tip is the focus. Focus on your thumbnails. You've got to spend some time here. I know from experience, I was just throwing up thumbnails where I was pointing to text and I wasn't really thinking about the strategy. But once I changed my strategy a couple months ago, subscribers started pouring in because they were clicking my video because my thumbnail enticed them. And then once I saw my content, they're like, okay, yeah, I need to subscribe to this channel. So when you're researching your videos, look at the thumbnails people are using. What's grabbing your attention? What kind of strategy can you create for your thumbnails? Because let's be honest, if your thumbnails aren't grabbing attention, it doesn't matter how great your content is, nobody's going to watch it. Tip number 5 is to know your niche or your target audience. You need to know who you're speaking to. You cannot speak to everybody. You've got to have that small area that when people land on your channel, they're like, yes, this is what I've been looking for. This is my people. I found what I need and I can't wait to watch more of these videos. You cannot be an overall encompassing channel for everybody or else nobody ends up liking you. The sixth tip is to know your value proposition. I talk a lot about this in on my channel here, and I'll link to a video where I talked more about it up above. But you need to know what value you are bringing to your subscribers. For me, I'm helping online business women figure out this online world so they can save time and spend more time doing the things that they love. So this isn't for somebody who doesn't have a business. It's more directed towards women than men. Men can watch my video, but I'm targeting women. I'm targeting the business owner who needs more time because maybe they have a kid at home or maybe they want to spend more time traveling. They need to save time somewhere so they can do more of the things that they love. So figure out what that value proposition so you can connect with your audience quicker. Tip number 7 is you've got to have a channel banner. It's got to draw attention because when people see your channel for the first time, they're probably going to go to your homepage. They're going to see that channel banner and they're going to instantly realize if this is for them. They're going to try to get an idea of what you're all about. And most people are going to subscribe from that channel homepage. So you've got to have a channel banner there. You've got to put some effort in there. Get your value proposition on that channel banner. Show your personality somehow. Put your branding on there. You've got to upload a channel banner if you want people to start subscribing to your channel. And my bonus tip is you've got to create content. If you're not putting out regular content, people can't find you. The more content you put out there, the more opportunities people have to find your videos, to subscribe to you. So you've got to put content out. You can't put one video out and expect to get 100 subscribers. I am ramping up to 3 times a week to grow my subscriber base. I'm not saying you've got to do 3, but you've got to at least do a video every single week. And if you really want to grow your channel, you've got to do 2 or 3 times a week. It's just more content for people to find you. My question of the day for you is, which one of these tips are you going to try today? Which one are you going to put effort into today? Let me know down in the comments section below. If you like these types of YouTube tip videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and you click subscribe for more tips to grow your channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.